Red light therapy devices are very popular. You've got for the face, you've got these blankets that you could wrap yourself in. You could put them on your body for injury recovery. But today I want to share with you ones for your eyes, which are so important to take care of your eyes for helping improve eye health and also reduce fatigue and more as we get older. Our vision starts declining because I do wear glasses now, which I hadn't until just a few years ago. I needed to start doing that. But these are called EyePower Red. They're based in the UK, the company. It took me 6 days to get them from the time I ordered, and I paid for them. They were not just sent to me. And I will share my referral link in the description as well as in the comments section. But what really sold me was the testimonials. So one person was sharing with them using them every day, although they say you only need to use it once or twice a week, which I'll talk about that in a moment. But this person had mentioned the floater issue had stopped, and every so often I do get some floaters, but it's not that often. But the fact that I'm still getting them, what happens if, that does potentially get worse. Also improved coloring in the eyes, the crow's feet, and it's helped other people as well. So for me, I want to see how they might work. They didn't seem overly expensive, and so I look forward to sharing with you about that, and I will do updates as I start using them. So as I mentioned, it does say that these only need to be used once or twice a week. It's a 3-minute session. They say the best thing to do is use it in the morning, and so that's how I'm gonna do it. So you could do it more than once or twice a week, but they say there may not be as much of a benefit when just using it once or twice. So you can certainly do just that. These also use which is the 670 nanometer for near infrared, and it's shown to be beneficial in promoting long-term eye health. So I would also recommend doing your own research as well. But they also say with these that they stimulate the mitochondria in your eyes to improve cell efficiency and slow down age-related decline. It's a simple, non-invasive way to protect your vision right from home. So let me go ahead, show you what is included. And again, I will share with you how I'm feeling. It's improving my vision and also around my eyes. Maybe it might even help my puffy eyes. So there you go. So these look really cool. They look kind of futuristic. You can see the image of them on there. You got a QR code, and this QR code takes you to the support page where if you have any issues with charging and all that, that's what you get there. You got this instruction booklet here. So nice and large font for reading. So you can do that and read that at your convenience. It does mention eyes open or closed, and so you can do either way when using them. You got a nice braided charging cable, which is type C, and then you got this kind of hard shell case that you could take them with you, which you're gonna wanna do. And there you go. So look at these. Oh, look at that, how cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn them on, and I know I do need to charge them, but just to see what it's initially like. Again, you could use these with your eyes closed or open. So here is the button, you press it, and it's on a 3-minute timer and auto shut off. But let me go ahead. There you go, you could see the red light is on, and wow, that's pretty bright. And that is very cool. So there you go. These are on, and it doesn't bother me actually with my eyes open. You can go ahead and close your eyes and see how they go. So again, these will shut off after 3 minutes, but you can, there you go, you can just press and hold the button down. So this is a plastic glasses. They're lightweight, they feel comfortable. Let me actually do that right now and plug this in here. And so I'll do that, and tomorrow I'm gonna do my first session, and we'll see how that goes. And let me see if there's any indicator that it is charging. But it does say EyePower Red right there on the front. And there you go. So stay tuned for more as I get to use them and share with you how I see how they have improved my vision as well as around my eyes, and anything that I can do that might help you as far as making your decision should you consider getting them. But if you want to check them out, again, I will share my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. I appreciate your time. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.